Deployment slots are a powerful feature of Azure App Service that allow you to create different environments for your web app. These environments can be used for testing, staging, and production. By using deployment slots, you can deploy your app to a staging environment and test it before swapping it into production. This ensures that your production environment remains stable and minimizes downtime during updates. Deployment slots offer several benefits, including zero downtime deployments, easy rollbacks, and the ability to test in a production-like environment. With zero downtime deployments, you can swap slots without any interruption to your users. If something goes wrong, you can quickly roll back to the previous version. Testing in a production-like environment helps catch issues that might not appear in a development setting. To create a deployment slot, navigate to your app service in the Azure portal. Under the Deployment section, select Deployment Slots and click on Add Slot. You can name the slot and clone the settings from the existing production slot. This creates a new environment where you can deploy your app without affecting the live site. Deploying to a slot is similar to deploying to your main app. You can use various methods such as Azure DevOps, GitHub Actions, or manual deployment through the Azure portal. When deploying, select the target slot instead of the production slot. This allows you to test the new version in the slot before making it live. Swapping slots is a straightforward process. In the Azure portal, go to your app service and select Deployment Slots. Choose the slot you want to swap with the production slot and click Swap. This action exchanges the content and configuration settings of the two slots, making the new version live while the old version moves to the slot. Each deployment slot has its own configuration settings, which can be customized independently. This includes app settings, connection strings, and environment variables. You can configure these settings in the Azure portal under the Configuration section of the slot. This allows you to tailor each environment to its specific needs. Testing in deployment slots is crucial for ensuring the stability of your app. You can perform various tests such as functional testing, load testing, and user acceptance testing. By doing so, you can identify and fix issues before they reach the production environment. This helps maintain a high level of quality and reliability for your app. Monitoring and logging are essential for managing deployment slots. Azure provides various tools such as Application Insights and Log Analytics to monitor the performance and health of your app. You can set up alerts to notify you of any issues and use logs to diagnose problems. This ensures that you can quickly respond to any issues that arise. Rollback strategies are important for minimizing downtime and ensuring a smooth user experience. If an issue is detected after swapping slots, you can quickly swap back to the previous version. This allows you to restore the app to a known good state while you investigate and fix the issue. Having a rollback plan in place is crucial for maintaining uptime. To get the most out of deployment slots, follow best practices such as keeping slot configurations consistent, using staging slots for testing, and automating deployments. Consistent configurations ensure that your app behaves the same in all environments. Staging slots provide a safe space for testing, and automation reduces the risk of human error. Common pitfalls when using deployment slots include configuration drift, insufficient testing, and not monitoring slots. Configuration drift occurs when settings differ between slots, leading to unexpected behavior. Insufficient testing can result in undetected issues reaching production. Not monitoring slots can delay the detection of problems. Avoid these pitfalls by maintaining consistent configurations, thoroughly testing, and actively monitoring all slots. Advanced slot configurations allow for more complex scenarios such as blue-green deployments and canary releases. Blue-green deployments involve having two identical environments and switching traffic between them. Canary releases involve gradually rolling out changes to a small subset of users before a full release. These strategies help minimize risk and ensure a smooth deployment process. Consider a case study where a company successfully used deployment slots to launch a major update. They created a staging slot, thoroughly tested the new version, and monitored performance. After ensuring everything was stable, they swapped the staging slot with the production slot. The update went live without any downtime, and they had a rollback plan in place just in case. This approach ensured a smooth and successful deployment. Deployment slots are a valuable tool for managing Azure App Services. They provide a safe and efficient way to deploy updates, test changes, and maintain high availability. By following best practices and avoiding common pitfalls, you can leverage deployment slots to improve your deployment process. Next steps include exploring advanced configurations and integrating deployment slots into your CI/CD pipeline for even greater efficiency.